So, if you're just like me, you may have just loaded up a 1.17 world, you went mining, and you find a spider spawner. So, what can I do to get some early XP? Well, first, you need to loot the box, obviously. And then second, you're going to want to follow these real simple steps, and this is a super simple 1.17 spider spawner. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to create a 9x9, which literally means, this being the 5th block in the center, you want to go 4 out from each direction. So you got 3 here, so we'll need to mine 1 and mine 1 there. So let's go ahead and do that. It's very, very, very simple. You may run into a cave system like I did, and you may have to use some stone blocks or use whatever decorations you would like to use. But this part should be the most simple of the entire. Alright. So I'm going to get the rest of this fleshed out and filled in to a... Okay, so once you've got the 4x4 out and decorated the walls with whatever you like, you're going to want to make sure that your top there is a minimum of 3 high all the way up to 6 high. I'm going 4 high. That's just my personal preference. And you probably will get some spawns here unless you put some makeshift torches there. Now, the next part, even easier. You're just going to literally dig down 3. So I'm going to do that real quick, and once I've got this dug out, I'll return. Okay, so I've got the 3 layers dug out here, and actually ran into some diamond on the way. But if you look at my inventory, this is all that you're going to need. You're going to actually need 2 water buckets. Sorry about that. And now that you've got this dug out, you want to decide where you want to flow these spiders. If you want to flow it towards this wall, you're going to want to put the 2 water buckets here. For me, I'm going to just go ahead and say that we're going to flow it here. Now, when you do this, the middle block is going to be the landing spot kind of where. So we're going to go to the corner, and we're going to use the water bucket, and we're going to go to this other corner and use the water bucket. Now, you can see it's already working. Now, see how this makes a pyramid that's like not covered with water? You're going to want to go 1 block down here for this pyramid. Let me go ahead and just kill this thing. And you'll have 1 block down, and there's a reason you're going to do this. So once you've got this pyramid, you're going to want to break the blocks on these little edges right here. You do not want to touch the center block. So we're going to go here, 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 here. Very simple. Now you can see that created the water that when these spiders fall, they fall and they're drug here. Now focus on this middle spot here. You're going to want to go build a 3x3 out until the water stops, and I'll show you what to do then. Okay, see how this water stopped here? You're going to want to kill the spider that's annoying you, I guess. But no. Break these blocks, and you're going to want to put a hopper leaning out to there into a chest. And put a hopper into this hopper. And into this hopper. Where this spawns, you're going to want to take... These do not have to be copper. I did them for this copper for, you know, my own sake. You're going to want to put one right here, just like that. And you're going to break this out a little bit. And then put, whoops, on the bottom half slab part of that one, just like that. And basically, once you take out your light sources here, you should have some pretty darn good spawn rates. Now, see, that does happen sometimes, and you can build a little trap up there if you like, but I find it unnecessary because I get just as good of rates if, you know, I just left it here. Basically, you could set a trap to where it drowns them up there to the top, but what will happen, and you'll want to build a little platform like this. They're going to jump up here. They'll get drugged by the water. They'll see you. They'll jump up here. Well, maybe not this one. It should do it. Here, hang on. Right. So they'll jump up there, and you can just slay them, and it goes into the chest. Now, this is a good point right here. See these skeleton spawn? Let me change my game mode to survival. You see how they suffocate instantly? That's why you have this 1 block area right here. So when they jump up, it'll kill that spider spawner, and you will get some bone drops out of this. You won't get a ton, but you will get some. And that's literally it. It's the most simple spider spawner farm to build early game, especially if you find one. I just built this in survival. You can watch that episode. It's my Shadowtopia Season 3, Episode 1. It's towards the very end of the video. I built this in survival, and you will even see the rates like this. You may want a good sword with Bane of Arthropods to kill these a little bit faster, and eventually some looting. But this is a great XP farm / getting string and wool. All the stuff that you can need right there at the beginning. Levels are very, very important in the beginning of the game. So I hope you enjoyed this, and that's it.